Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add pages in Publisher booklet. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher. Now we want to add pages booklet in this Publisher document. Go to the File menu. Then click the New option and we can see here many template. Now we search the booklet. Here are many format. We find a booklet format. Go to the design sets and wait some moment to searching the booklet. Here the business booklet. Now we select it and click create. Then wait some moment to open the booklet. Here we can see we open up pages in booklet very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.